Hi, I'm Anita. I'm a child car restraint technician from Kidsafe WA. Around 50% of seats that we check have one or more installation errors, but these are just the seats that we see. In reality, that number could be much bigger. If you're thinking of moving your child to forward facing, there's a couple of things you need to know. The law states that a child must be a bare minimum of 6 months and they must also have met the height markers that are on your child car restraint. Our recommendation would be to keep your child rearward facing for as long as possible. Typically, we see a child reach the height markers around 2 to 3 years of age. Now, let me show you step by step how to install a forward-facing child car restraint. First thing to do is to refer to your child car restraint manual, as each seat works differently. As we're going from rearward facing to forward facing, let's make a few adjustments. Firstly, we need to put our stabiliser bar away, so just finding where the little blue button is, popping that away, doing any covers up. Secondly, we want to make sure that we're going into the correct angle for forward facing. You do have two positions, you have a recline and an upright. It's personal preference which one you choose. There are two methods of installation for forward facing, either ISOFIX or vehicle seatbelt. Let me show you where to find your ISOFIX attachments. Most vehicles will have an indication of where your ISOFIX attachments are. If you pop your hands into the back of the seat, you will feel some little metal bars. If you can't, please refer to your vehicle owner's manual to find out where your ISOFIX is. Now let me show you how to install your seat forward facing with your ISOFIX. Placing the car seat on the vehicle back seat, grabbing your ISOFIX, connecting it on to your ISOFIX attachment, listen for the click, one on each side, popping your weight into the centre of the seat and tightening your ISOFIX straps up. And on the other side, ensuring that they are nice and firm and making sure that tension is in the green. If you don't have ISOFIX attachments, let me show you how to install using your vehicle seatbelt. Ensuring that there are no twists in your seatbelt, going through the yellow colour-coded path, which is always for forward facing, around the back of the harness, feed it through, into the seatbelt buckle, listen for that click, taking as much slack as you can off the lap part of the belt, coming through the other side, popping your weight into the seat, taking any excess slack, and if your restraint has a lock-off, making sure that your seatbelt is sitting in that lock-off. Regardless of whether your child car restraint is using ISOFIX or seatbelt, the top tether will connect the same. Feeding it through, ensuring that there are no twists, connecting it onto your anchorage point, and pulling to tighten, not over tightening, just taking as much slack as you can, and making sure it's all nice and neat and tucked away. Lastly, and the most important, is checking movement. Grab your seat at the base, give it a little wiggle. What you're looking for is minimal movement. And with that, you're good to go.